Okay, so this week I not only have a video for you, but also a freebie, because it's really important for your team to have focus points for improvement and a way to keep them solid and top of mind. For example, a movie director will tell the actor exactly the thing they want them to do differently in the next take. It's then top of mind for the actor, and they can make those necessary adjustments or additions to make that next take even better. Now, unfortunately, unless they're one of the small number of students who have me working with them personally, or have the clarity of having gone through one of my personal breakthrough sessions, your team has to be the actor and their own director. They have to do the difficult job of identifying what needs adjusting, changing, or improving, and knowing precisely how to do that. Not an easy feat. So today, I'd love to give you a couple of specific ways they can do that and a download to help. The best way is to review their past assessments. For example, exam papers, essays they've had marked, and they should look carefully for what types of questions they're losing marks on. They need to be careful that they don't get caught up with topics though here. I'm talking about identifying whether they're weaker on questions that ask them to explain or analyze, in short answer questions or extended responses. For essays or assignments, they're going to need to reread their work and figure out how it corresponds to the marks they got in the marking guide or rubric, where they did or didn't fulfill the higher level criteria and why, and what do they need to do differently to change that. They need to be able to specify 2 or 3 key things that they're going to focus on improving or doing differently next time. And most importantly, they need to know exactly how to do that, which can sometimes be the hardest part to figure out. Like, let's say in that movie, the director says, okay, do it again, but this time be more angry. Well, the actor will know that they need to adjust, for example, their facial expression, perhaps make their voice louder, and maybe change their body language or positioning. There's specific practical changes and action points. And this is exactly what I do individually with each of my personal coaching students at the start of every new semester. So I'm going to give you my summary sheet that I complete with them, and then they stick up for a constant visual reminder in their study space. It's at www.greattransformation.com/focus points. I'll put the download link in the notes of this video so that your team can complete it and have their own sheet, or use this as an alarm wake-up call. If they feel they can't complete it, they don't know what changes they need to make or specifically how to achieve them, make them happen, then you know that they're missing some pieces of the puzzle. And as you know by now, that's what I'm here for. Me, Katie Price, Great Transformation Expert. So if you have any questions, or if you have a topic that you'd like me to cover in a future video, feel free to email me. You'll find my email address as well on that download page. Again, it's greattransformation.com/focus points. Focus points, all one word. And until next week, let's make this a fantastic week.